credit scores. They're like a secret code that can either unlock financial opportunities or keep you locked out of them. Understanding how credit scores work and how they impact your financial health is crucial in today's world. Whether you're applying for a loan, renting an apartment, or even getting a job, your credit score plays a significant role in determining your financial future. So, what exactly is a credit score? In simple terms, it's a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. Lenders use this number to assess the risk of lending you money. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to be approved for loans and credit cards with favorable terms. On the other hand, a low credit score can make it difficult to qualify for credit or may result in higher interest rates. Your credit score is calculated based on several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit accounts, and types of credit used. Payment history is the most significant factor, accounting for about 35% of your credit score. This means that making on-time payments on your debts is crucial for maintaining a healthy credit score. Credit utilization, or the amount of credit you're using compared to the total amount of credit available to you, makes up about 30% of your credit score. Keeping your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%, shows lenders that you're responsible with credit and can help improve your credit score. The length of your credit history makes up about 15% of your credit score. The longer you've had credit accounts open, the better it is for your credit score. This is why it's essential to keep old accounts open, even if you're not using them regularly. Opening new credit accounts can also impact your credit score, as it accounts for about 10% of your score. Be cautious about opening too many new accounts at once, as this can signal to lenders that you're a higher risk borrower. The types of credit you use make up the final 10% of your credit score. Having a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can show lenders that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. Now that you understand how credit scores are calculated, let's talk about how you can improve and maintain a healthy credit score. The first step is to check your credit report regularly. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. Reviewing your credit report can help you identify any errors or fraudulent activity that may be impacting your credit score. Next, focus on making on-time payments on all of your debts. Payment history is the most significant factor in your credit score, so it's crucial to pay your bills on time every month. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Keep your credit utilization low by only using a small percentage of your available credit. If you have high balances on your credit cards, consider paying them down to improve your credit score. Avoid opening new credit accounts unless necessary. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is placed on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your credit score. Be selective about applying for new credit and only do so when you need it. Finally, be patient. Building and maintaining a healthy credit score takes time. Focus on making responsible financial decisions and managing your credit wisely, and your credit score will improve over time. In conclusion, understanding how credit scores work and how they impact your financial health is essential for achieving your financial goals. By demystifying credit scores and following these tips to improve and maintain a healthy credit score, you can unlock opportunities for better loan terms, lower interest rates, and overall financial wellness. Take control of your credit score today and improve your financial health for the future.